King of Graceful Banana, and today we're going to be doing a squishy unboxing and creating squishies in this video. And if you're new, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. So let's get to the video. Oh, here we are. So we're going to open it up. I'm thinking on the box we should do this cute little Narwhal thing. Smells like foam. No, that was so instructions. I don't think we need those right now. Here it is. Oh, look, so cute, so squishy. And if you guys really like this video, you should definitely get this. Definitely. So put this stuff back in the bag and put the glitter back in the bag because the glitter is going to be a huge mess. And this. Okay, so first of all, what color should we make the base? I'm thinking we can mix colors. Like, a light blue maybe. I think that's what I want to do. Or blue, I don't know. Let's see, I think we need papers. I need to get water. Okay, now I got my bowl of water. Wow, they give me hard paintbrushes. Ooh, so soft now. Now I want to put this under like that. And then we're gonna paint it. Wow, that was so smooth. So this is like, as you can see here, it's kind of like clearing a little bit. Can you see it? Okay, so now I'm thinking I might want to go into like white. I think. Oh, it's not one dry. There's a blob of picture. Okay, now I'm gonna go into like some white on the edge a little bit. Might not do anything, but we can try. Make it look a little prettier. It looks like an ocean a little bit. Hey guys, please don't judge me on my painting skills because I don't do this often. Told I don't do this often. And as you can tell, that really didn't do anything. Maybe if I put a little bit more on. Boop, boop, boop. Maybe like dab it like that, maybe. Oh, that looks so cool, like an ocean. That looks really cool, guys. Okay, now let's see. Oh, it's a little sprinkle. Oh my gosh, guys, this is really hard. Maybe if I put the paint on the paintbrush, that might make a little more sense. So guys, hope you're going to be able to watch my other videos after you watch this one. And sorry I've been kind of not posting lately. We've been kind of busy with Christmas. So, and we've been trying to stock up on toilet paper. That looks so cool, guys. And I'm thinking we need to make the horn like a yellow, but we'll do that after we're done with the body. Okay, so guys, warning you, it's sticky because it's paint. But my biggest problem right now is I'm wasting paint kind of because it like sinks in the foam. So, like when you put it on, like look, I put it on here, then I move it and it like just stays in that spot where I put it on. Oh, it's darn it. And if you wanna, oh my gosh, they don't touch anything. If you wanna get this thing, we got it off Amazon, and it's made by. Doodle Hog. That's the brand, Doodle Hog, and that's what it looks like. A little thing in the corner. Or you can see on the back better. And I'm gonna go in with white now. Give it a little touch up. Catch up, touch up. No, when I said that. Its face is looking pretty rough. Dun dun dun! It doesn't actually have a face, that's the problem. Where did your face go? I lost it when I was lost at sea. Makes sense. Oh, and guys, if you want to know what it came with in the box, it came with paint, brushes, and paint. And then, of course, the squishies. Like, if you want to really see it, you can, like, zoom back. Or, I don't know. I miss his paint fingers. I'm gonna go back in with white, I think. Places, I don't know. I think it may look a little better if I go back in with white. Yeah, the spots I missed, those, I didn't miss those, they're just white. Like no one will notice if I paint over them. This white, because the color is white. This looks so good. Good trick. Never have to get up to wash your hands. Although I need a paper towel. Dun dun dun! So, hello. It looks kind of creepy, but we're gonna add the horn now. Which is yellow. Shing! Yellow touches everything up. So, there you have it. It's a unicorn with no face. It looks good. Oh, I just turned my water green. It's pretty green, I guess. So, I saw in here there's faces. Ish. They're like tattoo faces. On the box, oh, that one does. Only two. I don't know if these will work. They're tattoos. Don't tattoos like rub off? I wonder if we have something we can use like color on this. Aha! We do. Let's see. Guys, that looks kind of creepy. But it's adorable-ish. Boom! I have anything else. That's adorable! Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta make the eyelashes because it's definitely a girl. Here we go. Guys, those are cheeks. And I'm doing my hands all pinky again. So, it has glitter. Glitter. I'm gonna try to put it on its horn, but I don't think it'll only be on its sword. And my hands are all glittery. I'm gonna definitely regret this. Oh my gosh, guys. It's really glittery now. I like dip it in the glitter. Hey, it's kind of working. It's kind of cute. Hey! Now that's adorbs. And glitter is really hard to get off, guys. Okay, so, because eyes inside of them are not blue, they're actually white, so let's put the white on here. Can't see yet. It's adorable. And glitter. Only your horns must have glitter on you, not you. So now I'm thinking because they have like little dots on them, I want to put dots on me. Hot pink. I don't know why I chose that color. She looks like she has a chicken pox. Major case of the chicken pox. Dun dun dun. Kidding. That was boring. Oh, I can't swim. Although I don't know how she's surviving out of the water. And my first question is, how do they get the glitter just on the places they wanted it? That's my question. And why is the glitter silver, first of all, and then gold? So many questions they can't answer. Ta-ta! Oh, not everywhere, only on this place, and my hands are almost not stained. I'm still having so I'm gonna close this stuff up and I'm going to show it to you when it's dry. So, hopefully you guys like that video, and this is the little, I still haven't figured it out yet. It's like a normal or a whale up close. It's adorable, please, hello. And it was super fun. It only took like 40 minutes to make. And we'll have where to get it in the comment section down below. And please like, subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. And if you really want to watch more videos like this, turn on the little notification bell so you know when we post new videos.